catering for themselves.
Well, winja ne patch green odera ka intere county makisumu recho kosa mi right of reply mana mapio pio
for rebuttal. I think it's important.
Intere county makisumu
ingeni sitemi wacho ni nane niki hold a press conference, then it would be fair ni wacho ni I saw you on this particular date and this is what you said. But I want to say categorically that I've never held any press conference.
It is not you holding a press conference. You are standing when those leaders were giving press conference.
I never even stood with anyone in any forum to do that. But I want to say this. The Constitution is very clear on Article 36, freedom of association. And if I assemble with you tomorrow, I
was not saying that it is wrong. What I was saying, is this. Is you should not say that the demonstration should not be
and
there.
I want to say why
if they have the right, and now you are telling us demonstration should be there. You should not stand and say demonstration should not be done, and today you are telling us that they should be done.
Demonstration should be there, and I'll say that again. And again, demonstration should not be there if there is no need for it to be there. There is nothing, absolutely nothing, stopping our leaders from saying, let us give dialogue an opportunity. And mano egima jotelo wacho. Angoma mono kendo kisomo, it is very clear. After picketing and demonstration, please present petition. Koro gimodong nejo azimio timo. And yeah, wanganyo yes. And Green explained it very clearly. Wanganyo yes. To magi reasons wanganyo. Baba nyocho sen, I think there were 9 points. Mo wacho mabenigi mo miyo didhi nganyo en achiel ariyo adek. To watch ni present this to a public authority. Baba nyocho chako wacho won after the first rally. Ni koro adhi loso kikundi moro. Madhi timango. Madhi adhi oro gi petition. Madhi timrenadi. Madhi either it was to State House or whichever authority was going to present it. Omiyo onge gima rach kanga tuwacho ni nganyo kikbedie. Let us give dialogue an opportunity. And if you look at the ripple effect of demonstration, let me just bring it to a broader perspective with all honesty. Sun insecurity. Maybe you are not privy to this. Anaja tourism, in tourism industry. Kaka newelo or opinion just because of the first demonstration. Jomage may not be affected. The people, the two operators, and the people who are employed. Jomatin nango kana chuli salary given the impact of COVID with that particular industry. Then adinyi senyo siepa dongineno ka welo mane wakeloka kendo welo kono timrenadi odokuduto. We are yet to see again travel bans flying all over. Ni Kenya is a no-go zone. And then what will happen to us because of insecurity? So let us look at it in a broader perspective. Why are we saying?
Why insecurity? Because of the police. Is the police. Why insecurity? Is because the police are there. They are the ones throwing tear gas. Who will come into your country when
I want to say this.
Who will come?
The
there is no violence.
Probably
there is no violence
the
in demonstration. It's the police who instigate this by shooting, by throwing tear gas. It will be chaos.
I don't know, but that does not. Yes. No. Joyce, I'm not. Violence could have begun probably by the police throwing tear gas. Mana dira makene nitie konde magine magiore tear gas koro jowati mango jowacha kodha. Does not. No. But that does not justify. That does not justify demonstrations by violence.
But there has not been Azimio has not been violent in any demonstration. Who are we giving this?
Mumnya saye wacho. Nika ngato padikoni titimango. Ilokne kama chielo. Even when anachil kumjogo manote odhio mobaba 2017-2018 airport. Makatan bunde noko gacha. Maradira manyasai muachiele kendo wachako waruake Uhuru Park ineno to seche makati yolopi and negitimo manegi nyalo ndalono mondo gikel koko kodwa to baba said that stay put omiyo okonyiso ni ka police go wagi tear gas wambe koro retaliate nuatime ndalocha podwa nyala time as gi ol kendgi dong baba nuapisha
we wawinja ne Green odera ka intere county makisumu Green ageno ni luwo twaka